Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is actually kind of a little embarrassing for me. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed because I received this package like over 2 years ago. I know. Wait, hold on. I received this package over 2 years ago, and then I filmed a video with it, like I did a PR video with it. And then I just completely I lost it. I don't know where it went. I genuinely don't know where it went. And recently, like a month ago or something, I've like redid my whole room, and I found it. I was like, oh my god. Oh my god. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm waffling on and on and on about. Face hit. It's got dust on it. That's a bad sign. I'm honestly so embarrassed. I really am, because they kindly sent this to me and I go ahead and lose it. What's wrong with me? What is actually wrong with me? So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out the face halo cleansing, what are they called? I don't know. Let me try it again. The modern makeup remover. Oh, so it's a makeup remover, yeah. So for those of you guys that aren't familiar with it, oh yeah, remember the card. So you just need to add water to it, and it removes your makeup, and then you can wash it and you can reuse it. Literally just dip it in water, you take off your makeup, wash it, reuse it. Like, you don't need to use anything else with it apparently. No rub or scrub, simply wet your face halo and gently wipe off your makeup. You may be surprised at how much makeup comes off on your face halo. This is because the halo tech fibers hold onto it and ensure nothing goes back onto your face. For heavier eye makeup, rehydrate your face makeup well with water and hold it onto your eyes and eyelashes for an extra 5 seconds, and then wipe. It just helps. Recommended 200 wash cycles before replacing. That's amazing. You can use this 200 times before you need to replace it. I received 3 in my pack. There's 3 of them here. Very nice, very cute. And what you're supposed to do is you're just supposed to rinse this in water, and it just takes off all your makeup. Apparently, we're gonna find out. So I want to say a big thank you to Face Halo, and an even bigger sorry that I'm just getting around to filming this video now. But a big thank you, big shout out to Face Halo. I am honestly very excited to try these. Before we go on with this video, you guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. I don't think it's called a sponge. It's a makeup remover, but I'm just gonna say sponge. If you even say sponge, I'm referring to this. I already got myself some water. I just put water in a bowl here so that I don't have to keep getting up. And I'm just gonna wet this and take my makeup off. If you guys are wondering about this makeup look, don't worry. Don't worry, it's coming. But yeah, if you guys are wondering, whoa, what's on your eyes, baby girl? What's on my eyes? What's on my lips? Or what's on my face? What is this beauty that I'm about to rub off? You'll know very soon. My next video. You just wait till my next video. You just wait and see. Okay, let me stop. My camera is actually already flashing red. Why? The disrespect. Okay, so I'm just gonna roll up my sleeves. Woo, my arms are dry. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna hold it, show you guys. You just wet this with water. Okay. Actually, before I carry on, I'm just going to loosen my hijab. Just gonna loosen this up a little bit. Okay, so it's pretty damp. I'm just gonna make it wet, like pretty wet, and then I'm just gonna start. I mean, I don't know. Let me get a mirror out. I'm gonna start with this side, and I'm facing my mirror. Wait, what just happened? Wait. That just, like, my makeup just went. Do you know why I'm surprised? Okay, water. There's only water in here right now. It's not like I put a cleanser or anything like that on. It's literally just water. And I'm still even using the same side. Like, I haven't even swapped sides or anything like that. Okay, I probably should now. Oh, goddamn. Oh, goddamn. She said, I'm not staying here no longer. Alright, darling, you were going anyway. Oh yeah, I forgot to take off my lashes, but, you know. That was a subtle reminder. My whole face is literally coming off right now. Like, now I'm going to use the other side. I know it doesn't look very nice, but let's try this side. Oh my god. Wait, this is actually so fun. I'm gonna rinse it a little bit in the water. Wait, this is so weird. This is so weird. Wait, look. Usually, I thought the water would go all like foundation-y or whatever, but it's not. Like, what's happening? I'm so confused. I think, you know what, how it said the technology, blah, 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 retains it? That's what it's doing. It's true. It holds it in so it doesn't go back on your face. Look. Like, the foundation and stuff that I just took off is on here, but it's not coming back on my face. And my lips don't feel all weird and that because it's water. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait. Where have you been all my life? Hiding. You've been hiding. Naughty, naughty. The problem is my eye makeup, because a lot of the time I put on like waterproof bases and stuff like that, which I don't think just water can get off, if we're being honest. You know? I mean, I can take it off. Like, I can get it off, but I'm literally like my eyeballs are about to come off with it. Like, if I put a cleanser on top of this, game over. That's literally what I'm gonna do. I like your Skechers. You don't like me in my Gucci shoes. I'm going to just rinse it again, just to make it wet, because it's not going back in. I think this is why you need to wash it in the washing machine. That's why it says you need to wash it in the washing machine, because it's not gonna come off in just water. Makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna put cleanser on. So I'm using the Pixi Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel Cleanser, and I'm just gonna see like what that does. Okay, you guys, I think I'm pretty much done. What do you think? What do you guys think of this product? What do you guys think? Have you guys tried this? Have you tried this before? If you have, what do you think of it? How do you like it? I mean, I'm very thankful that I got 3. I'll give one to my sister. But, oh, I love it. I love it. I have my verdict. I love it. I'm in love with it. And it's a shame that it took me this long to find it, because honestly, it was my loss. I did lose it, but it was my loss. Do you know what? Okay, let me tell you guys what the problem is. Or let me tell you guys why I really, really, really love it. Taking off my makeup at the end of the day. No, but you feel me, don't you? You feel me? Taking off your makeup, there's no words to explain. There's no words to explain how just like you never want to do it. And not even because it looks so nice or whatever. It's like just the process of picking up a wiping your face, wiping your face. Like, there's just something about taking your makeup off that is just, sometimes, honestly, that's why I don't put on makeup to begin with. Taking it off is the reason I don't put it on. Yeah? But this just upped my game. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of me. That is basically it for this video, you guys. That's it. My makeup is off. That was so quick and I love it. You guys should definitely check out Face Halo. You literally saw with me how easy that was. I am absolutely in love with it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys continue to stay safe, stay well, stay entertained, stay happy. You know, this is a blessing in disguise. Oh! Ramadan Mubarak, duh! How's your Ramadan going, guys? How is your Ramadan going? Let me know down in the comments below. Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem, which one is it? Whichever one that you say. Let me know how your Ramadan is going down below. Personally, I think it's going very well, alhamdulillah. This is why quarantine is like a blessing in disguise, you know? Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you are so you are notified whenever I upload. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. Peace out. Peace out. And you see my halo, halo, halo. See my halo. Do you see my halo? Because it's my face halo, and this is my face, and this is my halo. Do you see it? Do you see my halo? Face halo. You're welcome. If face halo, if you guys wanna like, do you know what I mean, work on a record label, little advertisement for that tune I just did, you know, I don't mind. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm expensive though, but let's do it.